Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also as fit as fitter. So please, this meeting is the first time, so please introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Akanksha. I'm talking from Delhi. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation in political science before marriage. In this time, I'm a housemaker as well as I'm a YouTuber where I post conversation video and short video regarding grammar. Yeah, and if I talk about my hobbies are listening music, cooking, and talking with the new people in English language. Yeah,
Yeah, it's a very good
I
sound.
want.
So your it's a very nice.
Hmm.
So I want to appreciate you, your work. So right
Your
now
voice
it
is
is my
breaking up sometimes.
right now my voice is coming. Right now,
Yes. Hmm.
okay. I think sometimes that is a network issue. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
right now, I'm going to start my introduction. My name is Neha Bhardwaj. I live in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I used to run my coaching center. Professionally, I am a teacher. Apart from right now, I'm live in a village area, so I teach here at my home, my student. I'm also YouTuber. I run my YouTube channel, and also I'm learning this language, so that's why I started this channel. So it is all my introduction.
Okay. Yeah. And okay, being a YouTuber and being a housemaker, and you told me you are a tutor also. How do you manage your day?
Yeah, because I know this is a very difficult to me. It is a very hard nut to crack. But if you have you are a hunger to do something, so we can
Hmm.
manage our time. Because in my perception, time management is the very important. Suppose that you have a
Yes.
lots of
Yes.
work, something, and
Hmm.
you make a plan. You make a plan whatever you have to do in the next day. If you make a plan, so I think it is good for you. Sometime
Of
it's
course.
hotspot the whole day where I have no time to the practicing, listening, speaking, and sometime I do not proper work in my house chore, and I have to go to outside also because I have no any in-laws, so that's why all responsibility on me. So sometimes it's happen, but when I make the plan, so it is good for me, so I can handle all the things together. So I think time management is a very important. Suppose that you have everyone has a different 24 hours. You have also 24 hours. I have also 24 hours. But how to utilize my time myself? So it is the main thing.
Of course.
Sometimes some people waste their time to watching the reels and hang out together here and there. In this way, we can utilize also time. If 5 and 10 minutes, if we are listening and the speaking, so I think it is enough for us also. So
Of course. You are saying right.
this is a skill. This is also art. So we should utilize our time. We should work on it to our time. How can we save our time in the useful things? Yes.
Of course.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay.
I like this.
Okay. And how is your weather your side?
It is too chilly weather here. It is
Oh,
a icy cold. My hands and feet are getting numb. So it is a very cold here. Yes.
yes,
So tell
yes.
me about yourself in your side, whether it's good or not.
So much cloudy. Every time you can see foggy weather, and you can say that your hand, leg, fingers already get numb all the time. It's very difficult to survive here. But yeah,
Yeah,
we should try to
this
survive
is a
in each and every
yeah,
condition. Yeah.
this is a village area. So according to the city, in a village, it's a
Hmm.
too cheap weather. So that's why we are not able to do properly all the work. So it's a fog every time. So it is very difficult to also survive. Yeah, we are. I'm waiting also the end of the January. I think the end of the January it will be clear all the things. But right now, yeah, weather is too much cold. Yeah.
In
So tell
winter,
me,
how do you?
yes,
Hmm?
yes, yes. Tell me, ask me, what are you
Okay.
saying?
In winter, in this season, in winter season, especially in chilly days, how do you spend your day if you feel too much cold and that moment, and you are telling me you live in village area that moment, how do you spend your day in a winter season? There is a available heater all the time, or just you do other option also? How do you do?
In this time, this is the first time for me in a village area because I got
Mm-hmm.
married a year ago. So recently I shifted here. I have no any idea how much cold and everything. This is new for me, everything. Yeah, but I'm feeling
Okay.
to if we talk about the work, so every work is important. If we talk about the house chores, it is also important. If I talk about the teaching, teaching is also important because the exam is about to come, so it is very necessary if we have to survive because we take food and we have to earn the money, so it is all the things is very required. Being a YouTuber, to make the videos is also very important. We can't give the excuse, this is a cold weather, we shouldn't upload the video. If we do like this activity, so we deprive for our goal. So everything is important. I think this is a weather. This is a nature things. So we can't change this. So we should bear and imbibe, inculcate these things. Some days later, a couple of the days, I think summer season will come and the rainy season will come. So this is a nature. We should enjoy all type of nature. Yeah,
Of
but
course,
yeah,
of course.
yeah, but if we talk about myself, so winter season I don't like it because
Yeah, same here. Same here also. I
as
don't
a some
like.
reason I like it because we are feeling energetic in a summer, but in a
Mm.
winter season feeling too coldy, and we are not too much active to do something. We can hang out and whatever we want to do according to house chores and the any other activities we can easily. We can
Mm.
bear the hot hot day, but we can't bear the summer days, the winter days. Yes. What
Okay.
would you like to say about this?
Yes, of course. You told the right thing, because we should try to maintain ourselves each and every weather, because weather comes each and every year the same time. There's no any changes, we cannot change, it's not our hand. Okay, and that's why we should try to uh, set in our mind, no, which is not can be changeable, it can't be changed. We cannot change the weather in our hand, it's not in our hand. That's why we should keep in your mind, no, no matter whether it's very cold and very hot, we have to survive in this condition also. That's why we should not try to affect our work, try to keep our work, do keep our work each and every time, no matter it's very cold or not. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
because
my also opinion, same thing.
yeah, we have a goal, so all the time we should focus on to our goals. It doesn't matter what weather is coming, because
Hmm. Okay.
are lazy. So we will do as a lazy activity. So I think it is
Yes, of
not good.
course.
As being a YouTuber, we have a responsibility to do work for our channel, and we have a goal, so we want to achieve to our goal. So we should work on continuously, because consistency is matter a lot. Without
Hmm.
consistency, we can't do it. Suppose that we are learning this language, so if in a winter season we break our studies, so I think it will not good as a future.
Of
So
course, of course.
yeah,
And
lazy person give the excuses, but energetic person do not get the excuses.
yes,
That's
okay. Okay, we know that if you want to learn this language, especially